We'll be going over natural gas, and in the 1 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD, but we're seeing signs of a converge. We're slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. We have broken below the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary resistance at the price of $3.01. With the 4 hour chart, we have dipped into negative MACD territory, and we are approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. As for support, that'll be where you have the 200 moving average, this green line, at a price of $2.79. If we were to test that level, that price movement to the downside is roughly around 5.4%. As we extend out to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD, and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. We're currently resting right along the 18-day moving average, that's purple line, at a price of $2.89. As for resistance, that'll be where you have the highs made back in February 17th at around a price of $3.30. If we were to test that resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 11.8%. And thank you for watching.